I think these are times that call for comfort food. One of my favorites is mac and cheese. I do make it a little bit differently though. First of all, I'm starting with cooked penne instead of macaroni. This was a box of penne pasta. Now I'm adding a half a cup of cooked onions and bell peppers. I want to bring a little sweetness and color into my penne and cheese. Oh, isn't that pretty? Here's 2 tablespoons of butter that I'm going to melt. I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of flour, blending it in with a fork. Now I'm adding 3 cups of milk. Three-quarters of a teaspoon of salt. On medium heat, I'm blending with a whisk, and I'm also preheating my toaster oven to 350. Now I'm adding 2 cups of nice, sharp, white cheddar cheese. If you use shredded cheese, it'll blend a little bit faster, but chunks of cheese works all right too, and just want to blend it until it is smooth. I'm adding the cheese sauce to the penne. Mixing well. Into the baking dish. I'm melting 2 tablespoons of butter, adding 3/4 of a cup of breadcrumbs, mixing well. Now I'm just sprinkling the breadcrumbs on top. Sprinkling the breadcrumbs on top. Popping the pan into the toaster oven. Beautiful comfort food. Mac and cheese, penne and cheese, any kind of pasta you want. You want to try another kind of vegetable. Bacon bits, ham. There's no end to beautiful additions to this dish. Oh, yum. Of course, we have the cheddar cheese in here, and then I love the onions and peppers. And then the crispy breadcrumbs. Oh boy, this is always so pleasing to serve to guests. But I'm quarantined. It's just going to be me eating this. And that's easy too. You get the freezer to oven containers. Split up these portions. You get like 5 or 6 meals out of this. If you're home alone, or maybe if there's just 2 of you that are quarantined, you'll have a couple really great meals. Take them out of the freezer, pop them in the toaster oven, maybe make a little salad on the side. What could be better than that? There are a lot of other really comforting and beautiful recipes in my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook, which you can buy anywhere. If your bookstore is closed, buy it online. A toaster oven is a great thing for making the comfort food that we all need these days.